volunteer po. I think 2 weeks ago I wrote a letter para po ma-fast track din po ang proseso. I'm sure everyone wants an answer as well. I told the people I'll answer at the proper format, at the proper time. And this is it po. I also have my affidavit. And I'm ready to answer po. I'll lay the cards on the table. Facts lang po. I don't wanna invalidate the feelings of people towards the gravity of the situation if I deny. So I had to gather all the evidence backing the allegations against me to prove my innocence.
So yung accusation,
Executive session. What's the reason?
They asked me po, before the guidelines of the live streaming came out, they asked me po, because as I said, I volunteered, I think about 2 weeks ago, when I wrote a letter. And they asked either a live streamer, not, and I really, in respect to the commission, they asked naman po. And
Sige, can we do it later?
yung sa father po ninyo, yung sabi yung father niyo yung tumatanggap on your behalf.
yes po, again, it's